Today, Disney finally launched the eagerly anticipated mobile ordering feature for dining at Disneyland. This new feature is part of the Disneyland app, just like MaxPass, but unlike MaxPass, it is absolutely free. Now with mobile ordering, one is able to browse menus, place orders, and even pay for a meal, all with the added convenience of saving a ton of time. Just like MaxPass, let's say you're on the monorail, nowhere near a dining location, but suddenly decide you'd like to get some Bengal barbecue for lunch. Now, instead of waiting to finish your ride and walking all the way to Adventureland to get that Bengal barbecue, and then waiting in another line that looks just like this, instead you can just place your order while on that monorail and have your food ready for you when you arrive at the dining location. Now, for the purposes of this demo, we're going to place our order right here in front of Bengal barbecue and see how quick this goes. Before we begin, in order to place an order with the app, you'll need to download it from the App Store or update it if you haven't already. Once logged in, the order food option will be right there on the front page. Right now, the app serves Bengal barbecue, Galactic Grill, Hungry Bear, and the Gibson Girl at Disneyland, and also award wieners, Cocina Cucamonga, Lucky Fortune, and Pacific Wharf at California Adventure. Alright, so let's order from Bengal barbecue then. Note that you can order well in advance if you prefer. There is a sliding window of time slots in 30-minute increments. But really all that really matters is when you click that I'm ready button, which we'll get to see here in just a minute. So we'll opt for service right now. And there's the whole menu. Side dishes and drinks included. Always my number one choice at Bengal barbecue, the Outback vegetable skewer. Looks delicious. As does the always tasty Bengal beef skewer. And there are also times when you might be able to customize your selection. You may want to add some sauce, which is already included with this order, or perhaps a breadstick. Or let's say, in the case of the Bengal rice platter, for example, where it's a mix and match kind of deal, you choose your skewers. Finally, we'll add a water and check out. Here's a summary of our order and our total. And of course, you can also modify the order right here. And if you're wondering if AP discounts are applied, they most definitely are. The discount will show up once you confirm the order and provide payment info right here. Now just click purchase, and here's that aforementioned I'm ready screen. So even if you've chosen a specific 30-minute window, they don't really start preparing your order until you hit that I'm here button. And once you've done that, it's just a few minutes before your order is ready. You'll get a notification on your phone that your order is ready for pickup. We'll stand by here in front of the Bengal barbecue and let's see how long this takes to have our order prepared. And for me, real time, from button click to order ready, it was about 2.5 minutes. And you'll know that when you get a notification on your phone that your order is ready for pickup. And that's that, you guys. All in, I spent about 7 minutes on the process, and that includes the time it took to receive my order. And I was eating my lunch like a happy camper. It's pretty awesome. It's literally FastPass for food. And in the future, we'll all wonder how we ever lived without this. We'll tell our kids we used to stand and wait our turn just to ask for the food. Well, now that lunch is finished, I think I'll go find me a dessert. Maybe something in the slushy variety. Galactic Grill, anyone? We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!